Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Lorraine. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and join in on all the fun. In today's video, I have a makeup video for you guys, something I don't do often here on my channel, but I felt inspiration to this time. I got a message on Instagram that I got added onto the MECCA PR list, so I am honored, I am happy, and I'm gassed. So I felt inspired to do a makeup look, trying on some new products that I haven't used before and obviously incorporating ones that I already have in my routine. So if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Just a little story for you. This is my third attempt trying to make a video for YouTube this week. And you know what? I really hope it goes well today so I can get this up. So if it is up and you're watching this right now, that means it all came together and I was happy with the result. So here we go. Wish me luck. You're not really here, but like in spirit, I'm receiving all the good energy. So I hope this goes well. So let's just jump straight into it. I'm just gonna be creating a really fun, funky eye look for you guys from the stuff that I got, well, using some of the stuff that I got from MECCA. I'm just like getting sticky tape for my eyes so I can like get a precise look going on for you guys. So the tape is on. I know I look a little bit crazy and I probably should use smaller tape than this, but this is all we have in the house, so this will have to do, I guess. I got this beautiful palette from Morphe. It's called the 351 Icy Palette or Icy Fantasy Palette, and that's what I'm going to be creating my eye look with. Don't really know what I'm going for yet. I'm gonna wing it and hope and trust and pray that it all goes well. I'm gonna have to prime my eyelids, and as you would have seen in the clip, I got a eye primer from Hourglass that they sent to me, so I'm gonna be using that in this video. Okay, so I have the eye primer on and I'm going to start off. So I think I'm going to create like a rainbow inspired type of look, and I'm going to start off with this color over here just on the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm going to add colors as I go just to, you know, create a really nice gradient of colors. I'm going to take inspo from the cover of this because I really like the way that looks. It looks very trippy as well. Now that I'm done with the outer corner, I think I want to take this one next. Like, there's so many cool colors to choose from, but yeah, I think I'll go with that one next. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, look at that. I'm liking how it's looking so far. I'm gonna take, once I'm done with like the overall structure of what I'm going for, I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush and just fix in the little areas and pat in more color so it's a bit more intense. But for now, I'm just creating like a skeleton to work with, you know. Look at me using terms such as skeleton. I feel like a professional. And if you do not know, I am not a makeup artist. I just like playing with makeup. So if this doesn't seem like super professional, that's why. I'm just looking for a small brush that could fit into the little smaller areas of the eye. I think this one might work. This one's from Morphe. I don't know what it's called, but it's from Morphe. And then next up I'm gonna go in with, ooh, I don't know what I'm going in with. I think I'll go in with that one. I think that'll look pretty. Should I go with, yeah, that one. Okay, now that I hope I'm not getting eyeshadow on my top. Now that color's on, I feel like we need something a bit more kapow at the end. Yeah, I said kapow at the end. So I think I'm liking, let me see what swatches. Yeah, I think I'm liking this slimy looking green one over here. So I think I'm gonna pack that in on like the rest of the bit where there's eyeshadow primer. I'm just gonna pack it on there, and hopefully it like does the effect that I'm like looking for, or I'm picturing, right? You know, don't you just hate it when you like picture something, especially when it comes to eyeshadow or like even clothing? You come up with an outfit in your head, or you come up with an eyeshadow look, and then when you try to do it, it's like, it's almost like you feel betrayed by your own mind, because it's like, but you looked so much better in my head. What happened? But yeah, we're going to, you know, risk it and just see what happens. Guys, do you see this? This was obviously not one of those moments, because this looks exactly like I wanted it to look. Oh my god. Obviously there's like a bit of fallout because I'm like packing a lot of color onto that, which is why I always do my eyeshadow before I do my foundation, because I don't want the fallout to ruin my base. But guys, look at the pigment. Like, it's obviously not perfect, but like, just like that gradient of color is so pretty. Oh, I'm in love with that. I'm gonna pack more color on. I'm gonna pack more color on. Oh, that's perfect. Now, this is perfect to me, right? This looks really nice. What I'm struggling with right now is whether to add a winged eyeliner or not. I don't want to ruin it. Because one of the reasons it went all wrong yesterday is because I was adding way too much eyeliner. That's just because I just want something fierce, but I also don't want to ruin it. Should I do it? Should I? Like, eyeliner will just take, I feel like it'll take it, like, you know? I decided to put on eyeliner just because I thought it would look a bit more edgier, and I popped on some lashes as well. Now my favorite part is taking off this tape and just revealing the look. Oh guys, look how perfect it is. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I'm so glad this worked out, because guys, I've had, like I said in the beginning of the video, this is my third attempt, so I'm so happy that worked out. Next up, I'm just gonna pop on some foundation. I use the Revolution Face Base Stick Foundation in the color F14. Time for my favorite part of makeup, and that's concealing. That's concealing. I use the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Full Coverage Concealer in the color C13. As you know, if you are an OG on my channel, this is my go-to setting powder. It's from Fenty Beauty in the color Honey, and I'm just gonna set all those part I just highlighted. Alrighty then. Okay, let's get into some new makeup. So in order to bronze, I'm gonna use the NARS bronzing powder in the color Casino. This is what it looks like. Really pretty. So I'll show you what I usually bronze with, if I can see it near me. Okay, I'll show you what I usually bronze with. I use the Benefit Hoola Toasted Bronzer, and I'll show you side by side. This has a bit more of a redder tint to it. I think this is more natural, so I think more of an everyday type of bronzy look. So I'm gonna just get a little bit on my fluffy brush. If you know me, I like cheekbones. I like cheekbones to come out, your natural cheekbones to be highlighted, so that's why I'm doing that. While that settles, I'm just gonna take this powder and add it to the rest of the pods where I usually like to bronze, which is usually over here, because I also kind of do use it as a contour, but this is gonna be like more of a soft contour because, you know, as we can see, my eyes are doing the talking today. We love to see it, we love to see it, we love to see it. Cute. And I need to get this off my face. Okay, to finish off my eye look, I'm gonna add the same colors that I have up here on top of my lid onto the bottom lash line, just to complete and tie the look together. So I'm just gonna take that first color I used and pop it in there. I'm back and I've completed the eye look. As you can see, and this is literally one of my favorite parts of doing my makeup, and that is the setting spray. I love it, it's so refreshing. I've never used this one before, but I'm pretty sure it's amazing. So let's do this. Smooth way more than I needed to, but that's okay. Maybe even a little bit more will do. Alrighty, now that that's on, it's time to highlight, and I'm gonna go in with this NARS cheek palette. The top, I think it's the top part that's the highlighter, the deep down highlighter illuminator. There's Drift and then there's Tied Up. I think I'm gonna go in with this one over here because I think it's pretty, or maybe this one actually, or just a combination of both. Why not mix it? Let's get into the lips. I'm just gonna line my lips real quick. I've been looking for a dark brown eyeliner. I've been looking for a dark brown lip liner, and I know MAC has a really nice one called Cork, and ColourPop has a few. So I think I'll have to like check them out. But today I'm gonna be using for my lips is the Thin Lizzy. So this is the Thin Lizzy lip liner in the color Miss Cosmopolitan, and I'm just gonna lightly line my lips, nothing crazy. And something exciting as well, because obviously this video is about trying new makeup. I have these two lippies that I got from Rouve Cosmetics, which is a black owned Australian makeup company. So I'm pretty excited to be trying out these colors. I'm gonna try this one and see what happens. I'm back! And wait, just before I get into the outro, I did want more of a bit of a glossy look on my lips, so I topped off that liquid lipstick with this NYX Butter Gloss in the color Devil's Fruitcake. Now, why would you want to go name something Devil's Fruitcake? But yeah, that's what it's called. And yeah, I'm happy with the look. I'm in love with this eyeshadow, and I feel like I'm gonna create so many cool looks with it, so watch out for those. Like I said, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do. And thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you want me to do more looks like this or more makeup looks on my channel, please do let me know down below. Until next time, bye.